Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. Let's have some fun today and let's make some really nice peanut butter cookies. We're going to need 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. This is equal to 375 grams. All-purpose flour is also known as plain flour. It's exactly the same type of flour. 1 cup of granulated white sugar. This is 200 grams. 1 cup of brown sugar. This is 230 grams. 1 cup of salted butter, 227 grams. 1 cup of peanut butter, this is 250 grams. 2 teaspoons of baking powder, this is 10 grams. And our last ingredient, 2 large eggs. So those are the ingredients. Let's get started. For our first step, I'll get in all of our white granulated sugar, and then all of our butter. And my butter is salted. If you're using unsalted butter, you can add a little bit of salt to your recipe. And then all of our brown sugar. And whenever you measure brown sugar, make sure that you pack it into your little measuring cup so that you get an accurate reading. And then all of our peanut butter. Okay, that's good. I'm going to drop this down, speed number 1, and just start mixing all of this together. And if you don't have a stand mixer, you can use a hand electric mixer as well. And that's good. Lift this up. I'll get my first egg in. Just get that going. And while that's going, I'll break my second egg. So that's good. We'll get that second egg in. And then we'll mix this. Super easy recipe. Okay, that's good. We have our flour here and our baking powder. I'll just get that all together. And then just mix this around a little bit. Does not have to be perfect. You can sift this in, or just get it in like this. So I'm going to do about half. Close the machine, speed number 1. And just let that mix until, it's almost mixed together. Okay, that's good. And then the rest of our flour. And that's it for the ingredients. Close it up, and now mix this. And that looks good, just like that. So at this point, our dough is very, very soft. You can see how soft this is. It would be a little bit hard to work with, so I'm going to pop this into the fridge for about 1 hour, and then we'll finish off the recipe. So here we are again. This is 1 hour later. I'll just go in, I'll just show you. You can see that this is a lot more stiff now. So we are ready to go. So I've got myself a scoop. You can go with a smaller scoop than this. I'm going to make my cookies a little bit larger. So I'm just going to get a little bit. You take your scoop and then you push it up against the side, and that will help you get a uniform cookie. So there we go. And then just get it right on there. This dough smells amazing. Get it up there. A little bit of a squeeze. I have a little bit of sugar in here. I'm just going to get my fork into the sugar and then just give it a little bit of a push. Sugar, push, and then go the other way. Try to keep it circular. So that's it. Off to the oven, and I'll see you in a while. So here we are again. These just came out of the oven about 5 minutes ago. You can see these ones are coming off nicely, even though they're so large. They come off very easily. Just get right under there. Look at that. And I baked these exactly 14 minutes in my 350 degree Fahrenheit oven. These here, you have to try this recipe. If you love peanut butter and love cookies, you have to try this. So let's give a really fast count. So we've got 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 cookies. So these are pretty amazing. I'll just grab a cookie here. Look at this, watch this. Whoa. You have to try this recipe. Look at this. Go in for a bite. Wow. I always get excited when I bring cookies out of the oven. So good. That little bit of extra sugar on the top, I really like that. I've got to go in for another little bit and a little bite. Wow. Yeah, that's good. So I hope you enjoyed my video today. This is a really good one. I really hope you try this one out. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, and if you're on Facebook, please check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro, and please give my page a like and say hello if you wish as well. So that's it for today, and I'll see you next time. Going in for a little bite. Love those cookies. Those are really, really good. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.